What is a Tabata? This is a great question. A Tabata is a timing platform that we're going to apply to your training. A Tabata is 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest, typically done for 4 minutes. That's 8 rounds. We're going to start you off at half that time and progress you forward. All I'm going to do is demonstrate 2 rounds of Tabata slams right now. So we're going to get this timer started. I'm going to put it next to the microphone. The goal here is to hit this as hard as you can with good form and then rest as effectively as possible during the rest time, which is not very much. So, get yourself set. So, that's half, well that's 2 rounds, 1 minute of Tabata. Whew, so exhausting. Make sure you're paying attention to how your reps feel. If you feel like the rep is starting to fall apart, it's better to stop early, reset yourself and try and get some more in during the remainder of time. Or go ahead, stop the round a little bit short, wait through the rest, and get yourself reset. That's Tabata. I need a break. Have fun. Don't hit yourself in the face. Just don't.